Hey, hello everyone. Again, I'm come back to some interesting courses that are online, and this time I'm gonna discuss about the top seven best Python online courses. They're free and paid also at the same time. And you want to more information related to the online courses? Subscribe channel CourseAvatar, and make sure you go and check out the links given below in the description box of the all the courses. Let's go and start. So our first course is the Learn Python Program Masterclass is provided by the Udemy. Here you will learn about the Python like list, tuples, functions, diction sets, reading and writing files in Python. You will learn the get basic understanding of Python and how you will create your own programs. You will learn about the both Python 2 and Python 3 also. They are the new versions of Python. You will learn Python keywords, statements, operators, expressions, and many more things. This course is especially for the beginners, and this course is also for the people who wish to learn the Python to apply the job based data science or artificial intelligence or machine learning. If they want to learn the Python because of their job, or they are the beginners and want to make their portfolio or make their projects using the Python, go for this course. Check out the link given below in the description box. So our next course is the Python for Everybody Specialization course. This is on the Coursera, and here you will learn the topics like XML, basic programming language, Python programming, and you will learn the basics of the Python, everything of the Python. You will learn usual using essential programming tools like loops and functions. You will learn the install and Python in your PC or create your first program. This course is for the people who don't have a previous experience of the Python, or they are a beginner, or they're just starting the Python course. Then there's a specialization course. Then go for this course. Check out the link given below in the description box and learn it. Next course is the Python Mega course. It's built on the 10 real world applications that is provided by the Udemy, and it's created by the Edit Skill. You will learn to create the Python program along with the APIs, GUIs, and web applications. You will learn about the Python. You covered the SQL and HTML also. You learn right form of the beginning, and you make the programs, data apps, web scraps, APIs, and many more things. You will learn the other programming techniques like debugging, HTML, deployment, and many more are there also. This course is for the people who know the Python, they know the basic of the Python, and they want to gain the more about, they want to become expert in the Python. And if you want to learn it, you are an intermediate level of the Python learner, then go for this course. This is a free course. Go and check out the link given below in the description box. Next course is the fourth course is the big Python for the beginners. It's a full programming course. It's a full course that's on the YouTube channel. It's the best YouTube channel for learning the any coding or any language. It's a free codecamp.org. In this course, you're gonna cover about the learn about Python from the beginning, how to set up the Python locally, about the concepts like data types, operators, strings, blooms, user inputs, and you will learn also additional concepts like assignments and statements and testing games, functions, variables. This course is for the beginner level course. Is a full course. Go for this course. This is the best course for the learner. Python is all about the Python and all its concepts, and it's on the free course. Is on the YouTube channel. Name is it freecodecamp.org. Go and check out the link given below in the description. So our next course is the Introduction to the Python program. It's on the Coursera and provided by the Coursera. Here you will learn all about the Python, and it's all how to analyze the data, learn about the Python programming, Python tools, and different tools for running and writing the code. And you will learn main aspects of programming and other features of Python and essential programming concepts like variables, conditionals, data structures, and functions. This course is for the people who don't have the period experience of the Python, and they are just beginners. They don't know how to work Python. They go for this course and learn the Python from the Coursera. Go and check out the link given below. So our next course is the Python for the beginner course. This is on the Udemy, and here you will learn about the fundamentals and of the Python in easy steps, like Python operators and their types. You will learn the Python its features, how you can make your first Python program, and elements and polymorphism, abstractions, encapsulations, inheritance of the Python, and learn about the Python and many more easy steps. In many more easy steps you're going to learn about the Python, and this for the people who wants to gain deep knowledge in the Python. It's also for the developers and big data professionals who wish to learn Python quickly. Then they can definitely go for this course and learn the Python in very deeply, and go and check out the link given below. So next course is last course is Introduction to the Python Programming on the Udacity. Here you will learn the Python basics while learning the best practices. This course is taught by the Juno Lee, and this course is also contain intensive quizzes also where you can recognize or revise your Python programming that you can use for test your learning also. You will learn the Python programming and learn about the Python basics, data using, store data, and using the Python data types and variables. You will learn the write scripts, documents, define customs, functions, and handling errors. You will learn about locating and using models and Python standard library and other libraries. This is course for the people who don't have the knowledge, anything knowledge about the Python and want wish to learn at the Python, then definitely go for this course. This course is a totally free course on the Udacity. Go and check out the link given below in the description box. So here all the courses are ended, and the links of the all the courses are links given in the description box. Make sure you go and check out at that, and for which course you're gonna enroll yourself, comment it that also, and click on the subscribe button and bell icon so that you get updated more about the online courses. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, all of you.